This is the weirdest thing for a girl to be buying right now, but I'll show you what we're going in for. I saw this here yesterday and I was like, shit, I feel like I need that. It's a good thing to have like long term in life, and I'm just a girl, so I don't know. Tell me if you think it's necessary for me to have at age 23. This. Why did I come in here yesterday and I was like, yeah, I need this. Outlets. We've got plenty of drawers and she's beautiful. Look at that color. I just know my future husband one day will be impressed by this. So I think they all have this mark on them. So I guess I'm going with this one. This one has the least amount of marks. That's so weird. Oh my God, I can't see shit. I got like men to get it for me. I just told them I want to buy it and then they just told me to pull my car around, so hopefully they do the rest. We're in the sunlight. Why am I obsessed right now? It was like a 10-minute process. I don't know how it happened so fast, but now I have to go recruit the neighbors to help me get it in. Tucker is not very happy that I have not gotten him out yet.